Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change clock style on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock your screen and one tap on the locked screen. There will be a clock showing. Okay, this is the clock now showing once I touch on the locked screen. Okay, this is called always on display and clock is showing there. Okay, so if you would like to change this style, this clock style, then you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to always on display, and here just click on clock style. By default this clock style is selected so that it is showing there. Okay, if you would like to change to other option, you can choose here. Okay, see the preview. If you like this clock, then you can set. Okay, you have to choose from the all available options. Here 6 options are available. Finally I click on this one and click on done. Okay, now I lock my screen and one tap on the screen and see there what I selected now, that is showing here. Okay, so always on display clock style is changed now. You can also set image clock. Okay, for that go to the same settings again and go to clock style and click on image clock. It is very attractive. Okay, click on stickers. See here, different images are available. Okay, click on this parrot, this cycle. Wow, very nice. Butterfly. Wow, so many options are available. You can choose any one here. Okay, I click on parrot finally and click on done and lock my screen and tap on screen. See there, parrot is showing under the clock. Also you can set your own image here. Okay, for that you have to go to gallery here, image clock. Click on image clock, then go to gallery and select any photo from your gallery, and that will be set as clock style in always on display. Okay, now lock your screen and one tap on it. See there, but I didn't give done. Okay, click on done and lock your screen, one tap on it and see the changes. So in this way you can easily change lock screen always on display clock style. That is a clock style. You can change clock style on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.